Okay, welcome back. Now we are going to start doing our analysis. And the first analysis we're going to do is the variance analysis. And the variance analysis basically looks at how much a balance has increased or decreased compared to the prior year. So we're going to start with our balance sheet. And I want to keep my balance sheet unmarked. And so to do my variance analysis, I'm going to make a copy. So if I go down to the tab down here where it says Consolidated Balance Sheets and I right click and click Move or Copy, then I want to create a copy and I want it to go in front of my Statement of Operations. Okay. And so now I have a sheet that looks identical to my balance sheet, only this one I can mark up. So I'm going to change the name. So again, I'm going to right click on the tab and click rename. And I'm just going to put balance sheet variance analysis. Okay. To do my variance analysis, again, I want to compare the current year, which is May 31st, 2019, to the prior year, which is May 31st, 2018. To do that, I am going to enter a formula. So my cash and cash equivalents are in row 4. And so in cell D4, you can see up here that I'm in D4, I'm going to enter a formula. And the formula is going to be plus current year, which is B4, minus prior year, which is C4. And it looks like my balance went down of cash and cash equivalents went down by 1.1, I think this is in millions, so billion, 1.1 billion. All right. The next thing I'm going to do is I want to know what percent did I increase or decrease. Okay, so I'm just going to put percent up here so I know what that is. If I want to format these to be centered, I can highlight them and hit the center. Okay, so I'm going to go over here to cell E4. And to calculate the percentage of variance, I'm going to take the actual variance in dollars and divide it by prior year. So I'm going to say plus D4 divided by C4. Then I'm going to change that into a percentage by going up here to the percent sign. And then I want to add a couple decimal places. So I just go here where it says add zeros, increase decimal. I'm going to click it twice. So now I know that my cash decreased 1.1 billion from last year, and that's a 5.12% decrease. And you can see the minus sign in front that tells us it's a decrease. Okay, now I want to do the same thing for all of the other line items. But rather than retype that formula a bunch of times, I can just highlight cells D4 and E4, right-click, copy, and then highlight where I want it to go, right-click, paste. And now I have my formulas. You can see Excel knows I'm going down a row, so in cell D5, my formula is plus B5 minus C5, and in cell, we're going to undo that, and in cell E5, my formula is plus D5 divided by prior year, so the variance divided by prior year. And that goes all the way down. Where I've got some zeros here, I'm going to go ahead and just delete it because these are actually not, there's no numbers, they're just headings. But pretty much I am all set. Okay, now I'm going to go and do the exact same thing for my income statement in the next video.